Alright, TikTok made me do it again. Back with another one. It's bourbon chicken this time. Alright, first we go season and marinate the chicken thighs. I'm using salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and pepper. Then I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of hoisin sauce and mix it up. I sear the chicken thighs until they're fully cooked. Next, we're gonna add a tablespoon of garlic and a tablespoon of ginger to the pan. Let that cook down for a minute. I'm gonna put a quarter cup of hoisin sauce in there, followed by a quarter cup of soy sauce. I'm gonna add half a cup of bourbon, then a quarter cup of brown sugar. Then we're gonna mix this up until it thickens. Once that's ready, we're gonna throw our chopped chicken thighs in there and mix it until it's coated. This meal only took about 10 minutes to make. I like to serve mine over rice with a side of broccoli and carrots, garnished with sesame seeds and green onions. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turned out.